Hello and welcome to another episode of Home Ec with Julie Geck. I, of course, am Julie Geck, back with you for another episode. Today, it is all about cleaning and decorating for Christmas. As you can see behind me, the inside of our house got completely decorated. We haven't set up our Christmas tree yet. I'm still contemplating where to set it up in our house. We have kind of like an awkward shaped living room, so I'm still debating on that. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how we decorated the whole outside of our house. Jeff hung lights up for us. We got some inflatables that are really fun. And then of course we cleaned up all of our Halloween and Thanksgiving decorations and decorated the whole house on the inside. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for new videos. I cook, I clean, and I bring you all along with me. Sometimes my dogs make an appearance, sometimes my fiance makes an appearance, but make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
This year.